Hi! In front of me is Chuwi HiPad Max, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. In order to fix it, tap on this gear at the top right corner. Make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is enabled. Log in to one of your apps and simply hit Save in Google Autofill pop-up. This way, your password will appear over here. To add any other one from those now visible settings, tap on this plus next to Search Passwords and input all of those informations. You can type in any website or click Select App and tap on the chosen one. Enter username, email or phone number, password, and even some helpful notes. When you're ready, just click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added to Google Passwords Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!